Welcome back to another Peter Lennox car of the week. Today we've got a 2012 SLK250 in Obsidian Black. This is a stunning car with the AMG Styling and Sports package, AMG 18-inch wheels, sports suspension, and a very impressive glass Vario roof, which I'll show you later on. Let's have a look around this car, which is in immaculate condition. The classic Obsidian Black Mercedes looks amazing in this. With that sports suspension and the 18-inch AMG wheels, it's got the perfect stance. Wheels in very good condition. Drilled rotors. You'd be hard pressed to find a mark on this one. And here comes the sun. Look at how good this car looks. Beautiful. So let's take a closer look at these wheels here. Again, very good condition. And now that glass Vario sunroof. So as you can see, it's a mirror finish, and you can actually dim it and darken it from the inside, which I'll show you later on. The SLK is a beautiful convertible, very nice, nimble car, great around the town, and will be very good on the country road too. With the AMG Styling package and Sports package, you get the twin exhausts, a sporty rear diffuser which looks very nice. Now this one does have ample room in the boot, even with the roof option. As you can see, plenty of space for a convertible and in perfect condition. What a stunning car. Look at those colors. LED tail lights. Those AMG wheels. Those side skirts, part of the AMG Styling package, slightly pumped. Just give it a bit more definition. Now this one does have keyless go and keyless entry. There's that mirror Vario roof. Those sporty vents on the bonnet. Very long bonnet. Just gives that extra sporty roadster look. Simply beautiful, look at that. Forgot to mention, does have driving lights, projector headlights with IRL. Let's have a look on the inside. As you can see, hardly any wear and tear. Sports stitching. This one does have the ambience lighting, which I'll show you later. Sporty red seat belts with those beautiful sports seats in very good condition again. Let's have a look at that sunroof. Stunning. I'll show you how that works later. Have a look on the inside. Sporty perforated steering wheel. As you can see, we've got sat nav. These seats are heated and in immaculate condition. Alright, so let's have a look inside this SLK250 R172. But before we do, this one does have the keyless go and keyless entry. As you can see, the door is locked, and all you have to do is pull the handle and the door opens. And when you're closing, close it, swipe the handle, and the car is locked. So really convenient and very nice feature. Let's open it up. Okay. Those red seatbelts are really striking, really give it a nice definition. Red stitching on the seats, beautiful. As you can see, this one does have memory seats, including the memory package on the mirrors and steering wheel. Jump inside. Now I'm 6'1" and this car has plenty of space, even though it's a small convertible, so you won't really feel like there's not enough room, but it's very spacious inside, very comfortable, and a stunning interior. Now let's have a look at those seats. So full adjustment as you would expect, and the headrest too. It's got memory function, so as you can see it changes the mirrors, the height of the steering wheel, and the seats obviously. So let's pull it back a bit, start her up. There's the keyless go. Press the brake and start her up. Okay, beautiful instrumentation. There's the command system starting up. This one does have a very high resolution screen, as you can see there. And let's have a look at some of the options. So you do get heated seats again, a must on a convertible, as you can imagine, and even the heated fans for the back headrests. Now this is a nice feature, very nice. Full climate control as you would expect. Command system with Bluetooth. Command online even. Let's have a look at that. There you go. So it's quite an updated system. This one does come with the ambient illumination option, which you have a look, adds red accented illumination throughout the car. If you have a look, that LED strip there around the dials, matching the red stitching on the seats, seat belts, and here in the center console too, if you can see that. Just creates that extra special interior. Okay, so this SLK comes with the glass Vario sunroof, which basically lets you dim it or lighten it based on your preference. So if I press a button here on the roof, as you can see, that's basically clear glass, slightly tinted, and if I press it again, very quickly it tints to a nice, quite a dark tinted finish. Today the sunlight is quite strong, so as you can see it is quite an impressive feature and not often seen on these models. Okay, so let's have a look at this SLK with the top down. So we'll open up the roof. There it goes. Beautiful day here in May in Victoria. 15 degrees, perfect day for the top down. And look at that, simply stunning. Okay, so that's the interior, and now let's have a look at this SLK250 with its roof down, which does change the look quite dramatically. It's a beautiful car. Let's have a look. This SLK is stunning from every angle. It's a beautiful car. stunning interior. That black finish, the AMG Sports package and those AMG wheels create the perfect combination of a sporty, compact convertible that can get you around town or into the country anytime you like. Come and see it today at Peter Lennox, Thomastown.